Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of eSIMs and showing you how to activate it on your iPhone 11, 12, 13 and 14. So if you're ready to cut the SIM card hassle, stick around and let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a few things ready. Your iPhone, a stable internet connection and an eSIM QR code or activation details from your carrier. Now let's get into the step-by-step process. First, unlock your iPhone and head to the Settings app. Inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data depending on your region. Next, add Cellular Plan. Or here you can find Add eSIM. Now, if you have a QR code from your carrier, use your iPhone's camera to scan it. Simply position the QR code in the frame and your iPhone will recognize it. If you don't have a QR code, you might need to enter the details manually. Select Enter details manually and follow the prompts. Also, you can transfer from nearby iPhone. Now, if you've scanned your QR code, details are entered, you'll see your new plan information. Tap Add Cellular Plan to confirm. Now you can label your plans. For instance, you might label one as primary and the other as secondary. This helps in managing calls, messages and data uses. And finally, your eSIM is now active. Now you can switch between your physical SIM and eSIM for calls, messages and data by going to the cellular settings. And that's it. You've successfully activated your eSIM on iPhone 11, 12, 13 or 14. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.